Hi, let's make some chicken nuggets. They're fast and they're easy. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have 2 eggs. I have a pound of ground chicken, Parmesan cheese, probably about 3 ounces. It's half a bag left. Some salt and pepper, and some almond flour. I don't really measure anything. I just kind of dump it in there. I'm talking about the almond flour. It's not real important that it's accurate. So let's get started. Some pepper, some salt, I almost put the eggs in. Okay. Turning the oat. 67 minutes to cook. Obviously there's no bones. Got that eggshell out of there, I didn't see. These don't taste quite like, fast food nuggets because they're not so processed. But they have a really good firm texture. A little ball. I'm gonna pat it out. Put it back in the little tray the chicken came in, so I'm not dirtying another plate. Air fryer has preheated for about 4 minutes, so I'm going to put about half of the chicken nuggets in here. Just leave enough room where air can get past to cook them evenly. Okay, these are ready to turn. They're kind of holding their shape now. I've cooked them for 4 minutes. Okay, these are fresh out of the oven, the air frying oven, I should say, and they temp at 172. And they look delicious. And here's Dad's lunch all plated up.